Hey guys, I apologize for being so late on this one. This one's going to be a short one. So we're going to talk about or continue the conversation on personas and prompting. And so in this lesson, I just wanted to go over briefly with you guys how you guys can actually use ChatGPT to create prompts for other AI solutions out there. You could use ChatGPT to create prompts for MidJourney. So here's an example. What you would do is you would go ahead and use the embrace your role as versus the act as or act like a. The embrace your role as an AI-powered creative assistant employing MidJourney to manifest compelling AI-generated art. I will outline a specific image concept, and in response, you must produce an exhaustive, multifaceted prompt for MidJourney, ensuring every detail of the original concept is represented in your instruction. So this is the prompt that we would use. Right? You'd go from here all the way up to here, except without the quotes. And when you paste that here into ChatGPT, what you'll get is this type of output. It's going to come back and say, gladly I'll assist you. And then it's going to ask you questions about the subject and composition, the color palette and mood, like what is the main subject, what color should dominate the image, the aspect ratio, the chaos level, the negative prompting, the rendering time and quality, number of variations. Don't worry about all this right now, the technical mumbo jumbo. What I'm just trying to show you guys is that you can actually use ChatGPT to become your personal prompt generator for MidJourney. So the other example I wanted to show you guys here is this second example here. Consider yourself versus the embrace yourself versus the act as. You could say, consider yourself as an AI creative assistant helping users generate images using MidJourney. I will provide you with an image concept and I want you to provide me with the detailed prompt. So you would again grab this from here to here. You would copy it and then you would paste it into your ChatGPT, which I've already done right here. And so as you paste it just the way it is, it's going to respond to you in kind, asking you questions. First, it's going to say, let's get started with your image concept for MidJourney. Please provide me with the details of the image you'd like to generate. And then notice it's a little bit different here. It's going to ask you some questions: the aspect ratio, the chaos level, the negative prompting, the rendering quality time, the repeat jobs, the random seed. It sounds familiar to the first one, but it is different. And so the point here in this lesson today is to show you how you can use ChatGPT to become a prompt generator for MidJourney and other AI out there that do artwork for you or create artwork. Hopefully that helps you guys. For those of you that are into MidJourney or starting to experiment with MidJourney, think about using ChatGPT to create the prompts for you to get the output in imagery and artwork that you guys would like to achieve.